Topicus guides entrepreneurs, credit advisors, and lenders with an effective funding application. Mike is an entrepreneur who would like to arrange his funding application by himself. In his personal portal, the current company data will be automatically retrieved from the Chamber of Commerce. Mike will be able to confirm the details of his authorized signatory partners in one clear overview. Thereafter, he will select the requested product with the desired duration and amount. Mike takes a knowledge and experience test, herewith showing his understanding of the product. Additionally, Mike will receive several qualitative questions concerning his enterprise, with which the lender will be able to evaluate the application even better. After confirming the details, he will send the request to the lender. Upon Mike's request, his accountant will provide the annual figures digitally via XBRL. In this way, Mike has finalized his funding application in one evening. The lender has all the required information at his disposal. As a risk officer, Peter is responsible for the assessment of funding applications. Every incoming funding application will be automatically evaluated according to the acceptance criteria defined by means of business rules by the lender. If all criteria are met, the contract is automatically created, which the applicant is able to sign digitally. If it is clear that the application does not meet the acceptance criteria, a substantiated rejection is created. In case of doubt, Peter finds a task added in his workload to assess the application manually. The orange labeled criteria shows the dubiety, so Peter knows exactly where to look. He will have full access to the application. As part of the customer acceptance, the identity of the applicants are verified against political exposure, registered credits, payment behavior, and fraud. The annual figures assured by the accountant and delivered digitally via XBRL are available for further analysis. Peter is able to examine the management forecast and compare this with the best and worst case scenarios. The applicant's credit risk is shown by a credit rating. This is determined by default based on the URA rating model. Alternatively, the lender is able to configure its internal rating-based model as well, or a third-party rating can be retrieved. The characteristics of the loan and the specified collateral can be viewed and adjusted. Thereafter, the interest rate is automatically determined. The classification is driven by risk and return. The risk premium is based upon the rating, the required loan amount, and the available collateral value. For the determination of the interest rate, a return or margin-based approach can be followed. The pricing model is easily configurable and compliant with existing laws and regulations. The special provisions, covenants, and the documents still to be submitted are automatically added by the system based upon the information from the application. As soon as Peter has finished his analysis, he can decide whether to accept or reject the application. After this decision is authorized by a colleague of Peter, the contract or rejection is created. In this way, Peter only needs to assess an application in case of doubt. By looking at the acceptance criteria, Peter is able to effectively analyze the application and base his decision on the analysis. Entrepreneur Liz would like to extend her garden center, for which she will need funding. She has requested her credit advisor Sarah to help her with the application. Sarah enters some general information concerning the garden center and Liz's plans. Based on the knockout criteria, the most suitable products for the expansion plans are presented so that Sarah can easily make a choice. She supports the application with company information, the financial situation, and an investment plan. Thereafter, she specifies which collateral Liz would like to use and uploads the requested documents. Sarah sends the application to the lender at the push of a button. In this way, Sarah is able to easily and quickly provide her client with the best financing solutions, and the lender has all the information required to assess the application at once.